Let's learn how to divide the number 71 by 2 using the long division method. For that, we need to write these two numbers 2 and 71 using this way. We know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6 and 6 is closer to 7. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this 1 here. Now we know that 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 is closer to 11. Subtract, we get 1. In this case, we see that 1 is less than 2 and we have no number to bring down here. So in this case, we will put one decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 71 divided by 2 is equal to 35.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.